everyone, welcome. This is Erica with By Clover and Crown, and I am ready to announce our August 2021 Bargain Bead Box Maker Mashup Challenge. So we've been doing this on my channel for a couple months, and each month I pick a different partner to help me pick the items, but it's open to everybody who wants to join the challenge. We basically pick 4 and 4, so 8 total items from the Bargain Bead Box for this month. And then everybody just creates trying to really make those 8 items the star of the show. And it's kind of a fun challenge to get your brain working and just to see how different everybody designs, even with just basic items. So part of the rules is you can use head pins, findings, wire, that kind of thing from your own stash. We just try to veer away from making something else the star of the show, basically. So I'm very excited. So this time I am teaming up with Deb Houck from Dahlia Designs. She also has a second YouTube channel. I believe it is, I think it's Deb's Crafty Cottage. And but her jewelry making is on Dahlia Designs here on YouTube. So she picked 4 items and then I picked 4 items. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box to see what items we've picked. And if you see my little cheat sheet behind me here, I highlighted which items you would need if you're going to participate. If you do want to participate, you're totally welcome. And if you want to let me know in the comments of this video to be added on, that will help me so that I can steer people to watch your video when it comes out. We are posting on August 22nd. So August 22nd, anytime during the morning, we will post and we just try to link each other in our description box. And this time I know Metal Scrap and Chick is joining, Tapping Flamingo, Nikki Quinn Creations, and I think Nana's Bling and Things, and maybe Thunder Horse Descendants. So we got quite a few people who are wanting to join us. So if you want to join us, let me know. So here are the items that Deb picked. She picked this Dragon Vein pendant, which this is a true challenge to me because it is such a large item, and I usually don't create with big pendants. So I'm excited to give this guy a try. And then she also picked kind of the big inspo that ties everything together here, these round fuchsia agate pieces. I loved everything she picked. Actually, she picked some of my very favorite things from the box. These porcelain gorgeous floral beads, which are to me the prettiest thing that was in the box this time, and the green bicones. This definitely does make me think of like springtime and meadow, and I think it was her in her video. I've watched a few unboxings, but I think she's the one that said that this gave her spring vibes, and I really like that. Especially I love fall, but it's kind of nice to get one more bright box. All right, so these are the items that I have picked. Oh, sorry. I know I didn't tell you the numbers. I'll go ahead and go over the numbers when I'm done describing these. These are the lavender quartz. I could not pick these. I actually kept going back and forth, but these pressed green leaf beads, I really love them, so I had to pick them. And I may not use everything because sometimes I like to use a lot of items in the maker mashup, but then leave a few so that I can, you know, still use them with the Bargain Bead Box. And so much is sent that I don't ever have a problem with that. These are the 6 petaled charms, and you get 6 of these. And then these are the man-made beads in the what is this, moonstone glass. So these have kind of a purple red finish to them. So those are our items. So if you want to play along, you will want to use number 2, number 3, number 8, number 12, number 14, 17, 20, and 21. And just let me know in the comments that you want to participate. If not, that's okay. If you just want to watch, you can always subscribe and watch the bell and jump in at any time. So this time we're posting on August 22nd because I want to make sure that those who are trying to get their box in time to participate can participate. And for my UK friends, I've been seeing that they're talking about getting a UK version of the Bargain Bead Box Maker Mashup going on between them, and I'm really excited to see that if it transpires. So, all right, guys, thank you, and just leave me a comment letting me know if you're going to participate or watch. Thanks. Bye.